All right, Originality.AI is excited to announce the launch of its Chrome extension. So Originality.AI is the world's most advanced AI content detector, accurate on ChatGPT, GPT-3, and GPT 3.5. And it's also an advanced plagiarism checker built for serious web publishers with added functionality that you need as a web publisher with team management, scan history, dashboard, and auto billing of credits. But what we built with the Chrome extension is the easiest and fastest way to use the power of Originality.AI's AI detector anywhere where you're browsing on the web. So that's what we built, and just going to share a quick demo of it. So first, though, why do we care? Google has come out and clearly stated that we have algorithms to be able to detect AI altered and plagiarized content. That AI content in originality in 2023 doesn't just mean it has been plagiarized, but it also means that it was human generated in the eyes of Google. They've reconfirmed that they don't want AI generated spam content. And right now, publishers are having a big problem because they're receiving a lot of AI content without knowing whether or not what they're publishing is AI generated or not. In academia, it's a problem right now where they're saying that is the college essay dead, and how is AI going to impact that? AI detection is not perfect, so I think it's going to be a part of any potential solution, but it's a interesting challenge. And it's all thanks to ChatGPT, incredible tool. I'm incredibly excited about the future of ChatGPT, but this is about how do we put the power in the hands of somebody browsing the web to understand if what they're looking at has been AI generated, and that's what our Chrome extension does. So here's an example of a news article that has been generated by AI. So the Washington Post uses AI to generate news articles, and here is how the tool is used. Simply highlight any text on a web page that you're browsing, right click, scan with originality, wait a couple of seconds, and then a score gets returned. So here it accurately detected that this news article from the Washington Post, which they state is generated by AI. You were connected to if you were looking at publishing a WordPress article, how would that work? So here's a WordPress article that was generated by ChatGPT. And again, highlight the code or highlight the text, right click, and then left click, scan with originality, and we'll see if it will accurately detect. So it detected 93% chance that was AI generated. And then here is if you're in Google Docs or other editors that don't have this. So when you right click in Google Docs, it brings up a different window. And so the way our extension works is we have this handy little copy and paste window on the side where you can just paste in any text. And this was again a ChatGPT generated article on how do AI content generators work. And now it is scanning and return that was for 100%. Originality.AI's AI is 100% confident that was AI generated. So there you have it. That's how the Chrome extension works. It's free to use initially, and then easy to go and purchase credits at Originality.AI. Thanks. And then just as a quick check, we'll run a human generated piece of content through just to show that it accurately detects, hopefully accurately detects human generated content. And so this was, so there we go, original 95, AI 5. So that's how you can use the Chrome extension to when you're browsing the web to determine if what you're looking at is either AI generated or not. All right, hope you enjoy.